In the digital age, online advertising has evolved into an essential component of the global economy. It has transformed the way businesses connect with their target audiences and how consumers engage with brands. As technology continues to advance, the landscape of online advertising is poised for further evolution, offering innovative avenues for businesses to monetize their content and consumers to interact with relevant advertisements. This article delves into the future of online advertising and how businesses can continue to make money through strategically crafted ad campaigns. 1. The rise of personalization. Personalization is set to be a key factor in the future of online advertising. Advancements in data analytics and artificial intelligence have paved the way for advertisers to create highly tailored ad experiences. By leveraging user data, advertisers can deliver content that resonates with individual preferences and behaviors. This not only enhances user engagement but also increases the likelihood of conversions. In the future, we can expect to see even more sophisticated personalization techniques, allowing businesses to connect with their audiences on a more intimate level. 2. Video dominance. Video advertising has already gained substantial ground in the online advertising arena, and its dominance is expected to continue growing. With the rise of platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, video content has become a preferred mode of communication for many. Advertisers are likely to capitalize on this trend by creating short, engaging video ads that seamlessly integrate into users' online experiences. Additionally, interactive video formats and augmented reality ads could further revolutionize how businesses monetize their products and services. 3. Native advertising evolution. Native advertising, which seamlessly blends in with the platform's content, has gained traction due to its non-intrusive nature. In the future, native ads are expected to become even more integrated and contextually relevant. Advanced algorithms will enable advertisers to match their content precisely with the platform's overall theme, creating a seamless user experience. By providing value rather than disruption, native ads will continue to be a lucrative avenue for businesses looking to monetize their offerings. 4. Voice search and advertising. The proliferation of voice-activated devices and virtual assistants is opening new doors for online advertising. Voice search optimization will become crucial for businesses aiming to capture the attention of users who rely on voice commands for online interactions. Advertisers will need to adapt their strategies to account for the conversational nature of voice searches, focusing on delivering concise and relevant information in their ads. As voice technology advances, we can anticipate the emergence of voice-based ads that offer users convenient solutions to their needs. 5. Blockchain and transparency. Blockchain technology is poised to address the ongoing challenges of transparency and fraud within the online advertising ecosystem. It offers a secure and decentralized framework that can verify the legitimacy of ad impressions, clicks, and engagement metrics. As businesses seek to ensure the authenticity of their ad campaigns, blockchain could emerge as a game changer, fostering trust between advertisers and consumers while curbing fraudulent activities. 6. Ethical advertising and consumer trust. With the growing concern for privacy and data security, ethical advertising practices will play a pivotal role in the future landscape. Businesses that prioritize consumer privacy and offer transparent data collection and usage policies will gain a competitive edge. Building trust with users is vital to establishing long-term relationships, and ethical advertising will contribute to healthier online advertising ecosystems. 7. Virtual and augmented reality advertising. Virtual and augmented reality technologies are on the brink of transforming how users interact with content, and this extends to advertising as well. Brands can create immersive experiences that allow users to engage with products and services in virtual environments. For instance, furniture retailers could offer virtual room tours to potential customers, enhancing the online shopping experience. As VR and AR become more accessible, businesses that harness these technologies will have unique opportunities to monetize their advertisements. Conclusion. The future of online advertising is brimming with innovation and potential. Businesses that adapt to changing consumer behaviors, technological advancements, and emerging trends will continue to profit through strategically crafted ad campaigns. Personalization, video dominance, native advertising, voice search optimization, blockchain transparency, ethical practices, and immersive technologies are all poised to shape the way ads are created, delivered, and experienced. By staying ahead of the curve and embracing these transformations, businesses can navigate the evolving landscape of online advertising and successfully monetize their content in the digital age.